Hello from the booth from DH Electronics at the Embedded World 2022. Here we will have a look on our IoT demonstrator. In detail, we have a system based on our IoT Gateway DRC02. The gateway is based on the STM32MP1 and is connected to here our temperature sensor and our ER panel, which is just symbolized with this red bulb. When we have a look here, at the moment we have 26 degrees, and as a demonstration of home automation, for example, we changed the desired temperature to 27 degrees. Normally the ER panel should be activated now, but because of security reasons we will just activate the red bulb. So here it goes. We can see home automation can be configured from our IoT Gateway with the software from our partner Juconn. Let's have a look on our gateway itself. The IoT Gateway from DH Electronics supports different interfaces which will fulfill the standards of industrial environments. For example, we have USB, Ethernet, serial interfaces, Modbus, CAN, and some inputs and outputs as well. But as history has shown us, we can never fulfill all bus requirements for our customers. Because of this, we've integrated an extension slot internally in our gateway. With this extension slot, the customer can adapt required interfaces as well. For example, here we see a cellular extension slot. But at the moment we have, for example, an Ocean, LAN bus, Modbus interfaces, all on additional interface boards available now. As the core of this application, our IoT Gateway on the edge connects the sensor and actor level to the cloud. And in the cloud you can handle all the features of your home automation as well. So it's the perfect match for home automation. Our IoT Gateway from DH Electronics.